Welcome back to my class. Dear students, I am your Rumita Miss. Today we are going to continue from your science book, page number 46 and 47, Unit 4, Chapter 9. Name of the chapter is Sources of Water. Let's take your science book. At first, we are going to complete page 46. Look at this picture. I think all of you are familiar with this thing. This is a tap. If I tell you to identify the source of water and write the name, I think you can write tap বা পানির কল। তাহলে এটা একটি পানির উৎস। If I tell you to identify this source of water and write the name, I think you can. Most of you have seen this instrument by which we get water from ground. This thing helpful to us while taking water from the ground and pass to us. By pulling this handle of the tubal, we get water. Tubal বাংলায় নলকূপ. It could be different shapes, but all of them carry the same purpose. This tube-like thing is specially responsible for their name Tubal. This source of water is pond. বাংলায় পুকুর। তোমরা হয়তো পুকুর দেখেছো, চারপাশে ভূমি দ্বারা আবৃত, তুলনামূলক ছোট পানির উৎস। এটি সাধারণত সুমিষ্ট পানির উৎস হয়ে থাকে। Now we are going to complete exercise number 2 and 3 from your science book, page number 47. You are familiar with water cycle. How this cycle runs? Let me help you to remember. At first, water from different water sources like groundwater, sea, river, streams, etc. evaporate. That means dried up by the help of sunlight. Sun helps them to evaporate. After evaporating, the water goes to the sky and form cloud. Cloud carries water droplets or water vapor and small ice. When the cloud became very heavy that couldn't carry their weight, then they started to precipitate. Precipitate means fall down as rain. Though we get water, that is rain. And after rainfall, water divided in two parts. One goes to the ground and another one goes by floating. By floating the spring, we get stream. Stream বা ঝর্ণার মাধ্যমে বৃষ্টির পানি যেটা ভূপৃষ্ঠের উপরে থাকে সেটা প্রবাহিত হয়ে চলে এক স্থান থেকে অন্য স্থানে। সাধারণত উঁচু স্থান থেকে নিচের দিকে পানি প্রবাহিত হয়ে চলে। আর এই স্ট্রিম যখন অনেকগুলো স্ট্রিম একসাথে হয় বা যখন স্ট্রিমের মাধ্যমে অনেক বেশি পরিমাণ পানি এক স্থান থেকে অন্য স্থানে প্রবাহিত হয় তখন সেটাকে বলা হয়ে থাকে river. River carries large amount of water to the sea. River carries large amount of water and the water flows to the sea. Sea is larger water source than river and sea water is salty. After that, This cycle also continue by evaporating water, then forming cloud, from cloud to rain, rain to stream, and passing the water through the river. And some waters also stored inside the ground as well, or we use tubal for getting the groundwater. Some water also kept in pond, lake, etc. So these water sources are very interesting, and by this water cycle water runs from one to another form. And meanwhile we get the desired water for us for our daily necessary. Our next task is write any 4 sources of water that you have come across. তোমার পরিচিত বা তুমি দেখেছো, তুমি জানো এমন 4টি পানির উৎস সম্পর্কে লিখতে বলা হচ্ছে। Very easy. We came to know about different water sources that are safe for us, and we get to water from them for our daily necessaries like rain, lake, sea, stream. You can write these 4 names or you can choose any other 4 names. Thank you very much, my dear students, for watching this video lesson. By this lesson, we came to know about different water sources and water cycle and the importance of water cycle for us. We get water so we can run our daily necessaries. We get water from different sources, and the water cycle helps us to maintain the water that we needed. Rain comes from cloud. We get rainwater from clouds, and snow forms the snow formed by the ice when the ice is cold and the water is cold. Cold water forms ice due to temperature and the surrounding environment. Environment helps us with this water cycle. And by this video lesson, we have completed this chapter, water sources. There are different water sources that are made by human being like well, tubewell, tap, shower, etc. So these sources are man-made water sources for taking water from different water sources, and other water sources like pond, lake, sea, stream, etc. are natural water sources. Thank you very much, my dear students. Goodbye today.